Have you ever wondered how I manage to keep my skin looking so consistently glowing even when I'm just at home tackling daily chores? The secret is simple. I still look flawless and perfect because I follow the right steps and use the correct products. This is true for anyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you my precise, particular glowing skin routine and introduce you to a new range of skincare I've started using. We're starting with the Pixi Nourishing Cleansing Oil. If you wear makeup or SPF, a double cleanse is a must, and this oil makes it a treat. Pump a generous amount into your dry hands and gently massage it onto your dry face. Feel how it effortlessly dissolves all that foundation, mascara, and daily grime. It's packed with essential oils, so it smells incredible and feels luxurious. This plant-powered oil cleanser melts through makeup, sunscreen, and impurities without stripping. Once everything is broken down, here where the magic happens, watch how simply one single makeup remover wipe can wipe the whole full makeup on the face, thanks to this magical cleansing oil. A plant-based oil cleanser for daily use, which effectively removes makeup and sunscreen. I'm grabbing the Pixi Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel, a revitalizing gel cleanser powered by glycolic acid. It gently sweeps away dullness, purifies pores, and refines texture. The Moist Clean technology locks in hydration, while aloe vera soothes, horse chestnut tones, and ginseng energizes. Apply a small amount and work up a gentle lather. This step ensures we've cleared any residue and deeply cleaned the pores. This face wash is the perfect refresher. Rinse everything away with cool water and gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Now, time for the product Pixi is most famous for, the Glow Tonic. This is where the real magic happens. Take a cotton pad and saturate it with the tonic. Gently sweep it across your face and neck. This powerhouse contains 5% glycolic acid. It works gently to exfoliate the dead skin cells, giving you that famous Pixi glow. It helps fade hyperpigmentation, smooth texture, and minimizes the appearance of pores. To remove that dull, tired layer of my skin and really boost the brightness and contrast, I reach for the Pixi Vitamin C Remedy Mask, which I follow up with my favorite vitamin C serum. This mask is a radiance-boosting jelly that truly hydrates, tones, and revives tired skin. It is lightweight, cooling, and leaves my skin visibly softer, smoother, and instantly more radiant. Let's talk ingredients because this formula is packed with nutrient-rich botanicals for that healthy, energized glow. We have citrus to brighten and tone the skin, green tea which firms and is rich in antioxidants, ferulic acid providing a powerful antioxidant boost, and ginseng to revitalize and balance. After about 15 minutes, I wipe it off using a warm wet cloth and move straight into my serum. Now that the skin is set, we can't forget the lips. For a naturally glowing and healthy pout, I use the Pixi Plus Hello Kitty Lip Tone. This isn't just a gloss. It reacts to your natural pH for a custom, perfect flush of color that only you have. It's infused with amazing hydrators like rosehip oil and mango butter, which soften and condition for lips that feel as sweet as they look. I love wearing it solo for a sheer look or layering it for extra glow. The key ingredients here are rosehip seed oil to smooth and condition, mango seed butter, which is rich in essential vitamins, and tangerine peel oil to hydrate and nourish. And just like that, my ultimate glow routine is done. If you are after a natural glow and truly care about the health of your skin, I strongly recommend the Pixi range of products. Beyond the incredible results, they are cruelty-free and not tested on animals, and they contain only skin-loving ingredients. They are vegan, multi-purpose, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and suitable for all skin types. I have linked all the exact products I used in the description box below this video. Go ahead and order yours today and start glowing from the very first use.